In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine with a Fresh. If we're just meeting, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach traditional homemaking for today's homemaker. So if you want to learn more about the art and science of homemaking, subscribe and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Alright, so let's talk about cleaning the washing machine. The washing machine is one of those appliances that we use all the time. It's very important to our home and our household, and we need to maintain it just like we need to maintain our refrigerator, our stove, and other appliances that we have in our homes. And part of that maintenance is cleaning it. Now, it is recommended for most washing machines that you clean them either every 30 days or after every 30 wash loads. So depending upon the size of your family, you will clean it more than others. Some washing machines will have a clean washer cycle on them, others do not. So let's talk about what to do in either situation. First of all, when you're using the Fresh tablets, and this particular package is the value pack, and so there are 5 pods that came in this particular pack. And this is what the pods look like. And what you would do to clean your washing machine with this pod is you would open the washer, make sure there are no clothing in it, and you would put the pod at the bottom of the washer drum. Then you would set your washer to the clean washer cycle if you have one. If you don't have a clean washer cycle, then you would choose the highest water level and the hottest cycle and the longest cycle possible. Now my washer has a clean washer cycle, so I'm going to choose that. So it's set on the clean washer cycle. It's going to wash for 1 hour and 11 minutes. And then I'm going to push the start button and it will do its thing. When I am following my manufacturer's instructions, I follow a different process. I will add 1 cup of bleach in the bleach dispenser, and then I will set it on the clean washer cycle. However, it does indicate that I can use a purchased washer cleaner such as the Fresh. And then once we get that done, I will take a cloth and clean around the gaskets and that kind of thing. Now I've got another video on how to deep clean your washer that I think you will enjoy, because in that video I go into the types of detergent that you need to use, why you need to use the various types, and that kind of thing. So I will link it above with an iCard as well as in the description box below. So now here's my question for you. How often do you clean your washer? How often do you get in there and clean the gaskets and clean that drum? Are you one of those people that if you've got a clean wash cycle and that light pops on that says run the clean wash cycle, do you just bypass it, or do you actually go ahead and clean that washer? Tell me in the comment section below. And what are your laundry challenges? You can send me an email, or you can just drop them in the comment section below. And who knows, maybe the next time I'm in the laundry lab, I'll be answering one of your laundry questions. Now, just to summarize things, according to a Fresh and my manufacturer's instructions for my washer, I should run the clean washer cycle once a month, meaning every 30 days or after 30 wash loads. And the same thing goes here for the box of a Fresh. There are other washing machine cleaning agents, like for example Tide has one as well. So you can pick up these kind of things at your local grocer, at your big box stores like Walmart, or a number of different places. But the important thing is that you are cleaning that washing machine every 30 days. So if you want to learn more about the art and science of homemaking, subscribe. I can teach you to be a traditional homemaker in an untraditional world. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying, you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comments section and check out my video on how to deep clean your washer. I'll see you next time.